Hello, this is Natalie Bodley. This is EDMU 524, teaching math to elementary and middle school students. The unit I chose was subtraction with regrouping. This is a second grade standard that is necessary. My big idea, my main focus was helping students regroup using the base 10 model, using all the manipulatives, all the activities that were needed. Common Core teaches that. That's how the focus is using manipulatives. And I didn't learn it that way. So for me, just doing the standard algorithm, that's just how I do it. So it was interesting to see all of this. The standards we talked about were numbers in base 10.5, numbers in base 10.7. The first is basically using place value. Addition and subtraction. The second part is very similar, but it goes up to 1,000, and it adds that when you're teaching regrouping, you're not just teaching 5 minus 4. It's 5 ones minus 4 ones, or 5 tens versus 4 tens. You're teaching that whole, the base 10 concept, basically. Lesson 1, we used, this was my literature component was included in this. We did introduction and regrouping to 20. We used a lot of blocks for instruction, and then we used a worksheet as well. The worksheet I got from the My Math Curriculum second grade book. That was very generously donated to one of my teacher friends. Literature component, again, The Good Neighbors Cheese Feast. This was a book written for math instruction. I don't know if you can see on here, but this little mouse in the center, he represents the ones mouse, and the taller one is the tens mouse, and even the bigger one is the hundreds mouse. And they live in a little village, their own neighbors, and they share cheese, and they borrow cheese from each other. They don't use the word borrow, I know that's a naughty word now, but they use each other's cheese and make a feast for each other, and it all works out. It's a good way for them to visualize it. Lesson 2, we used more blocks with a hook, step-by-step examples. We went up to 100, so we were talking about, 59, 62, 37. I incorporated some practice game in this lesson. Students had to use this as a spinner. They spun one number, say 97, wrote it down up here, and then they spun another number, say 37, and wrote it down here and solved it. They knew that they had to do the top one first because that was the bigger number, and then the bottom one. I also played this with my tutee, and she really enjoyed it, and it really helped her. For our final activity, we did a math jokes page. I saw these and I thought that's just such a fun, quick way to test their progress and make sure that they get the right answer, or make sure that they, find out why the math book was there. For lesson 3, this was my STEAM activity, and my regrouping component was all kind of tied in together. We did a quick review of the vocabulary words. Because we were writing, I wanted them to remember the right terms. We also talked about looking, and when we're working with word problems, what terms, what phrases mean, give them a clue that they have to subtract. Less, how many did I have left, etc. There's some good words right there. And as the last final little thing, they made a Kahoot. They had to create their own word problem using Kahoot, and then we did it all together as a class. Lesson 4, we did up to 1,000. We used the cubes instead of just flat blocks. We used the same, are they different? That was our Google quiz, and then for our final activity, we played a pirate regrouping game. This looked really fun. They start with 1,000, and then they subtract. They roll a dice, they subtract. If they get 3, they subtract 80. And then if they land on a treasure chest, they actually get to add 1,000 to their score. So there's a score sheet, a recording sheet that's included with this. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and my unit. It was a lot of fun. I learned a lot, and I learned that there's more options for activities than you could ever do in one classroom. Thank you.